Hello, I'm letter U.
Yeah! Nice to meet you. Let's walk together. Oh no, it's raining so hard.
We need an umbrella.
Don't worry, I have an umbrella. Thank you, Lucy. U is for umbrella and unicorn.
A giant letter U. Great job.
Thanks for watching, friends. Choose your next fun adventure. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you next time.